disable the ANC on a 2016 Honda Accord Touring. One reason you may want to disable your ANC is to add a aftermarket subwoofer. If you don't disable the ANC, when you take the car off, you will have a feedback coming through your subwoofer, a very loud vibration. So this is how we're going to disable it. All you need is a plastic pry tool and a Phillips screwdriver. That's basically it. What you're going to do is take your plastic pry tool, and you have two trim pieces here. You're going to take the pry tool, put it down here, and push, and that releases one of the clips. Take your hands and slightly pull, and you'll hear them pop. There are 5 clips. Okay, it's one of the pieces. Okay, set that over here. We're going to be doing the same thing on the driver's side. Take the pry tool, pop it in, 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips, and then the rest. Same thing. So now we have both trim pieces off. We have this storage compartment. On the storage compartment, we have a Phillips screw here and a Phillips screw here. Take our Phillips screwdriver, undo the screws. Okay, one there, one here. And all you have to do is pull on the storage compartment. It comes right out. Okay, set that aside. So after you remove the storage compartment, if you put your hand back here, you'll feel the ANC module. There's a gray connector. All you have to do is push the clip on the top and pull on it. And then you'll get it out. Just like this. Once you have that, you can just leave it hanging there and you're good to go. Okay, so once you've disabled it, you have that out, you can put back the storage compartment just like that. Put one of your Phillips screws in. Okay, it goes here. Okay, hit the other side. Then you take your trim panels, line them up to where the clips would go into, and give it a slight push. That's it. Driver's side, same exact thing. Line it up, give it a push, and that's it.